Welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to make money in the forex market. As we already know, in the forex market, you either buy or sell currencies. Placing a trade in a forex market is simple. The mechanics of a trade are very similar to those found in other financial markets like the stock market. So if you have any experience in trading before, you should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. On the contrary, if you don't, you will still be able to learn and pick it up soon. The objective of forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change. More specifically, the currency you bought will increase in value compared to the one that you sold. For instance, assume that you purchase 10,000 euros at the exchange rate of 1.18. 2 weeks later, you are trying to exchange your 10,000 euros back into US dollar at the exchange rate of 1.25. By doing this, you can earn a profit of $700. Want to know how? Just think about it. Initially, you bought 10,000 euros at a rate of 1.18, which is equal to 11,800 USD. On deciding to sell this back in the market, you sold the same 10,000 euros at a rate of 1.25, which is equal to 12,500 USD. On calculating the difference, you get $700 as a profit. An exchange rate is simply the ratio of one currency valued against the another currency. In this way, just by buying and selling currencies, you can make easy money in the forex market. Hope this video was informative. Let's meet in the next video with more content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.